serene, calm, and unwaveringly peaceful. A perfect abode of tranquility, located in the lap of nature, away from the chaos of the Bengaluru city. Who doesn't wish to spend a part of their lives in this house?
But the very own peaceful house that you see here was not like this before.
What you are looking at is the restored and renovated version of an uninhabitable house that was vacant for about 20 years.
Let us take a look at the condition of this house like how it was before.
Now, take a look at the transformation. That's what we do.
We renovate old homes in Bangalore.
We are
Inkstone
Inkstone Infra.
Infra. number one home renovation company in Bangalore.
For old home renovations, architecture construction, and interior designs in Bangalore, call us today.
And do not forget to subscribe our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank
Thank
you.
you.